So we got the frame all descaled to the best of my ability. It's actually, oh, there we go. It's smooth. So we're getting ready to paint it. Now let me show you the other side for comparison. See what I mean? Still scaly. So here you can see, this is my first time using POR15, so I'm gonna give you guys a word of advice. Oh, I can't even talk. If it gets on your skin, it's damn near impossible. It takes days for it to come off. So I took my glove off, I didn't even realize, and I started painting again. I got it all over my hand, and it's a nightmare. So just keep that in mind when using this stuff. Also, I wanted to let you guys know, this POR15, a little goes a long way. So if you have a regular cab short bed like I do, I got the option below the 1 gallon. So I got the, I believe it was a quart. I think it was $60 shipped on Amazon. And I finished the entire driver's side of the frame, leaf spring, and the inside of the driver's side frame. And I don't even think I used a quarter of this product. So I would definitely recommend using a brush. I was gonna spray it, but the spray gun I was looking at, I couldn't get it in time due to weather. Like the next couple of days after this video was taken, it's supposed to be like a high of 30 degrees. So I just figured I'd go at it with a brush, just like I've seen everybody else do, and it actually comes out really good. I did apply 2 coats of this stuff, and it came out better than expected, honestly. Covered great. I didn't see any see-through frame, raw metal spots. So I think 2 coats is all that's needed. I also think I kind of don't like because it's shiny. I might add a matte top coat. Actually goes on very nice. I mean, I only got a little one, but I mean, I barely used anything. Focus. I barely used anything. We already covered a good amount of the frame already. Why is this thing not focusing? There we go. It's pretty good. Oh, so I got some POR15 on the face. Well, we are finished up. It got too cold. I'm calling it a day for now. But I finished up the driver's side of the frame. I'll show you guys how this looks. That's 2 coats, POR15. And compared to what that looked like before, it looks pretty good. But next, obviously, I gotta really clean up the diff, descale it, maybe sand it down a little bit. I got some new shocks, courtesy of Rock Auto. Replace those old, rusty, dingy ones. Clean. You guys know I'll shower. Can't talk today. Also, I went ahead. Oh god, this is a tight garage. I went ahead, got a new 40K transcooler. The line's gonna fix that. Hopefully, we could get it moving. I could pull it out of the garage and put the BMW back in. But that's pretty much. Oh god, the update on truck. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You guys like what you guys are watching?